Did you know that carrots are not only great for your eyes but also packed with nutrients that benefit your skin, heart, and overall health? But is eating too many carrots a bad thing? In today's video, we'll dive into the health benefits, potential risks, and tips on how to enjoy carrots the right way. And at the end, I'll share a quick and easy carrot recipe you can try at home. Let's start with the benefits of carrots. Carrots are best known for being rich in beta-carotene, which your body converts into vitamin A. This vitamin is essential for maintaining good vision, supporting your immune system, and promoting healthy skin. But the benefits don't stop there. Carrots are also high in fiber, which aids digestion, helps regulate blood sugar levels, and keeps you feeling full longer. This makes carrots a great choice for weight management. In addition to fiber, carrots are loaded with antioxidants, which help fight free radicals and reduce inflammation. This can lower the risk of chronic diseases like heart disease and certain types of cancer. And let's not forget that carrots are low in calories, making them a healthy snack that you can enjoy guilt-free. While carrots are undoubtedly healthy, there are a few things to keep in mind. One potential downside is their natural sugar content. While the sugars in carrots are natural and accompanied by fiber, eating large quantities, especially in juice form, can lead to blood sugar spikes. Another consideration is a condition called carotenemia, which can occur if you consume an excessive amount of carrots. This leads to a yellowish or orange tint to your skin. While it's not harmful, it's a sign that you may need to cut back. Lastly, some people may have an allergic reaction to carrots, particularly those who are allergic to pollen. If you experience itching or swelling after eating raw carrots, it could be a mild allergic reaction. So, how can you enjoy carrots while getting the most out of their benefits? Here are a few tips. First, eat carrots raw or lightly cooked. Cooking can reduce the vitamin C content but may actually increase the availability of beta-carotene. Second, pair carrots with a healthy fat, like olive oil or avocado, to help your body absorb the fat-soluble vitamin A more effectively. Finally, try different varieties of carrots. From traditional orange to purple, yellow, and even white carrots, each color offers slightly different nutrients and antioxidants. Carrots are incredibly versatile and can be used in salads, soups, stir-fries, or even as a sweet addition to baked goods. In summary, carrots are a nutrient-packed, low-calorie vegetable that supports eye health, digestion, and overall wellness. Just remember to enjoy them in moderation and mix up how you prepare them to maximize their benefits. How do you like to eat your carrots? Let me know in the comments below. And as promised, here's a quick recipe. Try roasting carrots with olive oil, garlic, and a sprinkle of rosemary for a delicious and nutritious side dish. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and tap the bell for more health tips and food breakdowns. See you next time!